Hello guys, today we are going to have introduction on MATLAB and Simulink. As you know, the MATLAB software has expanded among people in recent years and is applied in many fields. You may think that it can be applied just in electrical engineering, and that's because of some papers and articles you saw, but that's not true, and it can be applied in many fields as mechanic engineering, aerospace engineering, many majors of medical engineering, and even in fundamental science. The another point about Simulink software is the validity of outputs. The outputs are similar to the real world, and you can trust them, and their outputs are accepted in most of the journals and fields and institutions, and you can use them in your papers, articles, research, and presentations. The prerequisites on software is first is acquaintance. You should acquaintance with MATLAB software. Here we have some introductions, but if you want to be a professional programmer and deal with professionally, you should take steps by yourself. The second one is that you should be acquainted with system modeling, and that's because being able to get models from the real world and apply it in the software. Because there are numerous chapters in this course, we're going to go step by step and chapter by chapter. So first, first we're going to have contents of that chapter, and then we're going to explain that chapter and learn the contents. First, we are going to have review on MATLAB. Then we're going to have introduction on Simulink and how does it work and what are the applications. Then we're going to have introduction of systems and their presentation, and which, for example, presentation is suitable. And then we're going to acquaint with the concept of simulation, how you can simulate with Simulink software. The MATLAB software, I'm going to say that the MathWorks, it is made by MathWorks company, which has founded in 1984. Based on the statistics, it has 30,000 employees. Its central office is in Natick, Massachusetts. And it stands for matrix, and the MATLAB software stands for matrix, and laboratory, it means that laboratory of matrix. The software is one of the most advanced softwares in numerical analysis and can be applied in many fields that are dealing with complex analysis. Based on the matrix, all the data are saved in matrix. For example, if you give to this MATLAB Scholar, it will be saved in one matrix. If you give it sentence, it will give you a row and many columns, or even if you want to give it image, it will give you a third-dimensional matrix, which first and second dimensions are the direction and the position, and the third dimension are about the colors that were used in the software. Here the core of the language is C, and the graphical interface is Java language. So now we are going to have introduction on its features. Just I brought some of the features because there are numerous features in MATLAB software. First one is that it's applicable to most operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Macs, and etc. The second, and it's the most important feature, is that it can solve complex mathematical calculations. And the third one that has made it more common in many fields is that there are different toolboxes for particular applications. The next one is it's different simulation methods to accelerate the process. For example, if you have discrete systems, you can use a method that is particularly used for discrete systems, or if you have continuous system, you can use continuous methods. But that's based on your equations and your outputs you want to get from the software, and use them in your simulations and your projects. The next one is that it has two-dimensional and three-dimensional graphic functions for visualization of information. The next feature is that most of the codes in MATLAB are open source, and it's very interesting, and there is possibility of creating new toolbox on it. And because of that features, many universities are going to make new toolbox on this software and use them in their projects. The another one is its ability to connect to other softwares for better information processing.